Homes don't just sit, they stall because the prep and launch were out of sync. And if you want stronger offers, it actually starts weeks before your home ever hits the market. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out what to do first when selling your home, this is going to simplify everything. I'm going to walk you through the exact week by week timeline we use so you know what to do, when to do it, and how to set yourself up to win from day one. Think about selling your home in 4 phases: prep, launch, under contract, and closing. When you treat it like a timeline instead of a guessing game, everything gets easier and honestly way less stressful. The first couple weeks are all about getting your home ready to show up well online, because that's where buyers are making decisions now. So we're talking simple stuff: touch up paint, fix lighting so it all matches, clean up the yard, and make that front door pop. Then handle the little repairs you've been putting off: leaks, loose handles, and slow drains. Nothing fancy, but these are the things that come back during inspections if you ignore them. Now we get into launch mode. You don't need to fully stage your house, but you do need it clean, simple, and easy to walk through. Declutter, clear counters, clean the windows the day before photos. And then this is big: pick a list date that gives you 2 full weekends of exposure. That's where most of the activity is going to happen. Once you hit the market, your job is to make it easy for buyers to see the home, wide showing windows, clear instructions, and keep it ready to go at all times. The first 2 weekends matter the most. This is where you either build momentum or you don't. And make sure you're actually paying attention to feedback. Patterns tell you what to adjust. When offers come in, don't just look at the price. Look at the whole picture: financing, timelines, how strong the buyer actually is. And if you're negotiating, keep it simple: clean counters, clear deadlines, don't overcomplicate it. Once you're under contract, now it's about execution. Inspections happen first, and there's always something, so don't panic. Focus on the big stuff. Then you've got appraisal and financing. At this point, you just want to stay organized, respond quickly, and keep everything moving forward. Final week, it's mostly details. Review your numbers, set up utilities, get everything ready for the buyer: keys, manuals, garage remotes, then final walkthrough, and you're done. Here's the key: when you follow a timeline, this whole process feels a lot more in control. So pick your ideal list date and just work backward week by week.